This car is so beautiful. Sadly, it will be the last car that features the W16 engine made famous by the Bugatti Veyron. This Bugatti Mistral is not only expensive, but it is also the world's fastest roadster. It can reach to 182 miles per hour and produce 1578 horsepower. However, I do wonder if it is the best sounding Bugatti available, or does the Bolide, which is a track-only hypercar that makes up to 1850 horsepower with a similar W16 engine, sounds better. I mean, they do have the same price tag, so why not compare the two?
And 636, we're looking at now is the Jesco. There's a bit of a clue in the final part of his name. Attack, well, you can clearly see that is what is going on right now. Marcus Lund more with that homage.
Well, the Bolide definitely sounds louder.
But it's a temporary roof on it, so you'll see this. They were actually cast for lots of money in 99 units. And then something very different.
Yep, definitely sounds like a Trek car.
This is the top one as I understand it, and it's done incredible time around the North side. And look at this. This is the last car.
The good old days and the Marlboro.
The Mistral definitely sound more smooth and not as rough.
The Porsche 935.
That Bugatti as well, the last car from them with the 8-litre W16 turbo.
That thing looks so fast.
So that is something to...
This offering that Bugatti has come to show for us, and the Mistral.
I think something on Instagram, I think there is one here.
Wallet, I believe.
Look at that thing go.
Cost of paint on it, and it's amazing that we've right now.
Listen to that thing pop.
The turbulon that was launched.
Wow, it's spraying so much water.
Weekend and
It does sound elegant, but I wished it was a bit louder.
Could we make a Bugatti Bolide? This car, the street.
While these cars both have a W16 engine, you can tell one is definitely built for racing while the other is not. One is more elegant while the other is more raw. What do you guys think?